This bunny, 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 bunny.
Yeah, Barney, this is a
Horse, bunny. Piggy, bunny, bunny.
think Barney's remembering. Okay, what's the next one? Piggy. Yeah, is a piggy on your shirt? Okay, what's the next one? The next one is you teach Barney all the animals.
Animals.
Yeah. You teach Barney what it is. You tell Barney, what is it?
Where's that? Gold bunny.
Very good.
Chicken bunny. Ducky, lucky bunny.
Ducky Lucky. Wow. That's really cool.
Butterfly bunny.
What does the butterfly do? The butterfly.
Fly, fly, fly.
Yeah.
Lucky, lucky bunny.